Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a testimonials slider to your Squarespace website. This is a fantastic way to showcase customer reviews and build trust with your visitors through dynamic, professional-looking testimonials that automatically rotate on your page. First, you'll want to head over to elfsite.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but the process is straightforward and only takes a moment. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your dashboard where you'll see the navigation menu. Click on Add New App to begin the process of integrating new features into your website. In the search bar that appears, type Testimonials Slider and hit Enter. You'll see the Testimonials Slider app appear in the results. Go ahead and click on it to open up the customization options. This app is specifically designed to display customer testimonials in an eye-catching sliding format that keeps your content fresh and engaging for site visitors. Now you'll be presented with various templates to choose from. Take a moment to browse through the available designs and select the one that best matches your website's aesthetic and branding. Each template offers a different visual style, so pick whichever resonates with your overall design vision. Once you've made your selection, click Continue with this template to proceed to the customization stage. You'll now be in the content section where you can fully customize your testimonials. This is where the magic happens. You can add new testimonials by clicking the appropriate button, edit existing ones to perfect the wording, or remove any that don't fit your needs anymore. Feel free to add customer names, their photos, star ratings, and the actual testimonial text. Take your time here to ensure everything looks polished and professional, as these testimonials will be front and center on your Squarespace site. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Publish in the upper right corner of the screen. After publishing, you can click Close to exit that particular view. This saves all your changes and makes your testimonials slider ready to be embedded. Now locate your newly created testimonials slider in your ElfSite dashboard. Click the three dots next to it to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, select Embed Code. This will generate the code snippet you need to place the slider on your Squarespace site. Go ahead and copy this code. You'll need it in just a moment. Let's switch over to your Squarespace website now. Click Edit Site in the upper right corner of your Squarespace dashboard. This will open your site editor where you can make changes to your pages. Once you're in the editor, click Edit again to activate the editing mode, then navigate to the section where you want your testimonials slider to appear. Click Add Block to insert a new element into that section. From the block options that appear, select the Embed block. This is the type of block that allows you to add custom code to your Squarespace page, which is exactly what we need for the testimonials slider. Click on the embed block you just added, then select Code Snippet from the options. You'll see a field labeled Embed Data, and this is where you'll paste the code you copied earlier from ElfSite. Simply paste the code into this field. If you don't immediately see the testimonials slider appear, don't worry, this is completely normal. Just click Preview in Safe Mode to view how it will look to your visitors. This preview mode bypasses certain restrictions and shows you the actual appearance of your embedded content. Once you're happy with how everything looks and the placement is correct, click Save to finalize all your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a testimonials slider to your Squarespace website. Your customer reviews will now display beautifully in a rotating slider format, helping build credibility and trust with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.